If your business has not grown at 24% per annum over the past financial year, there could be a big problem, and I'll explain why. The country's GDP is growing at 6% per annum, and every industry which is growing is roughly at double the growth rate, which means at about 10 to 12% per annum. Now, even if you were to do absolutely no effort, the industry would make you grow at 12% if you're just an average player. However, owing to your smaller base, which means even if you have 100 crores of annual top line, you should ideally be growing at double your industry growth rate, which means at about 23-24% per annum at the very minimum. Look at it through another lens. The country's stock market, the top 50 stocks have given a return of upwards of 18% per annum over the past few years, which means owing to your smaller base, even if you're not beating it by 33% per annum and giving a 23-24% annual growth rate, well, you're not putting either enough effort, or your leverage is not strong enough, or you absolutely have no moat and you will have a problem surviving in the future. A lot more details in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.